In primetime news this evening, St. Anne pastor defiant after cops swoop down on illegal church service. New schedule for vaccine rollout. And a vaccine passport? Jamaica prepares for the inevitable. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. What are your views on the COVID-19 vaccine passport, which proposes to allow people immunized against the virus to travel freely around the world? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.